Kerala, a small southern state of India, creates magic for you. Kerala is known for its equable climate, tranquil backwaters, lush hill stations, exotic wildlife, and most of all, the serene beaches that stretch for hundreds of miles along the coast. We'll stop today on one of the most beautiful undiscovered beaches called Marari, located only 1 hour south of Cochin, near the famous Alleppey backwaters. The Marari Villas in Kerala is a very unique collection of boutique villas nested in the fisherman's village. A mere 300 meters walk to the most secluded part of Marari Beach with its own private beach area for the guests. Marari Villas is a boutique private service property. There are just 3 villas with tropical names: Orchid, Hibiscus and Frangipani. Marari Villas has a lot more to offer than just the beach. You can enjoy cycling, learn cooking, do private yoga classes, Ayurveda treatments, and of course visit the famous Alleppey backwaters. The staff at Marari Villas is experienced and will cater to all your needs in the most refined and discreet manner that is so reminiscent of Kerala hospitality. If you are a romantic person, or if you are looking for a honeymoon stay or an anniversary celebration, look no further. Marari Villas is the ideal stop for you for your romantic fulfillment. Starting from an airport pickup at Cochin to a specially decorated bed, decorated pool, a candlelight dinner by the pool, everything is taken care of. If you're looking for an amazing beach destination and fantastic experience, Marari Villas is the ideal place. You will have an outstanding experience that will remain with you for the rest of your lives.